So here is the new Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium long wheelbase, both of which we stock in 2 litre 130 manual and automatics, with the ability to turn the seats round to conference or have them forward facing. So all of our stock vehicles come fully fitted with leather upholstery. This is seat back 38 dark palazzo leather. The seats turn around nice and easy. Just drop the headrest, tilt your seat forward, another lever lifts it up. You quite literally pull the lever here, lift the seat out, and you can turn the whole row 180 degrees so that all your seats are facing forward if that's what you want. So you've got the flexibility to do that in the Ford without having to undergo a conversion. So in these as standard, you've got front and rear air conditioning, all of which can be controlled in the rear saloon area by the passengers. Speakers, you've also got 4 USB points for your passengers, 2 here, 2 on the other side, as well as cup holders and privacy blinds in the 2nd and 3rd row as standard. So there's a great amount of space in these. Like I say, this is the L2 model, so plenty of room in the boot. And unlike the old model, the air conditioning unit that was here has actually been slightly reduced, opening up more boot space as well. You've got this flap that does is on magnetics, comes down, so you can access the back of the seats. Obviously in these you've got a 12 volt charging point there as well, so you can use that for whatever you want. So heated rear screen on this, up and over tailgate, reverse parking sensors, alloy wheels, side steps by the side door, opening windows in both sliding doors, heated and power folding door mirrors, quick clear forward windscreen. You've got the LED halo lights on this new shape, as well as front fogs. Front parking sensors as standard as well. I'll take you in the cab. So in these Ford Customs as standard, you've got auto lights, auto wipers. You can dim the instrument cluster, as well as operate your front and rear fogs. Electric front windows, central locking, electrically controlled driver's seat, as well as heated front seats. In the Ford, you've got the under-seat storage. Both seat cushions lift up, makes a nice storage space for things like first aid kits, fire extinguishers. And if you have a wheelchair conversion, you can also keep your wheelchair belts and straps in here. This one is the automatic model, 2 litre. Obviously you've got your gear shifter here with a semi-automatic manual mode and a separate gear changing button here. You can go up and down the gears yourself if you want to. Multifunction steering wheel, you can control your cruise control, your trip computer, answer the phone, turn the radio up and down. Again, auto wipers, and you've also got your center screen here with which you can put your Apple Play and Android Auto within this vehicle. You can store your phones up here, so you're not having cables running across. This little area here has got USB port and a 12 volt socket, so ideal to charge your devices. You can plug your iPhone or Android phone in, bring all your apps and your sat nav up onto the middle screen,